Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A sports interior and exterior. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry and keyless go. Also comes with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane tracking assist. We've got Harman Kardon sound system, a nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, that push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E350 has 43,645 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.